All right, we're going to go over the operation of a manual quick coupler on our Sannies. First and foremost, we're going to assume that you already have your bucket on there, so we'll do a removal of a bucket to show you how the operation goes with that. Normally you would have a safety pin, but this one doesn't have one for safety measures, which is going to let you know there is a safety pin that goes on here. All right, so then what you will do is you'll simply just pull the pin, okay? You'll come down here and you'll lift, you put the pin that you just pulled out, put it inside this hole, and you're going to lift this up, right? And that pawl holds that bucket on. So what you can do, hold that in place, put your pin in that hole right there, right? That holds that pawl right there up so it doesn't lock onto that pin. So now your bucket is essentially unlocked from the coupler. I'll come up here in the cab, lower it down, curl it out like I'm dumping it, and you'll see the bucket is now released. So what we'll do is we'll remove the bucket completely. All right, put it down towards the ground, curl out. The bucket is released from the machine. This pawl right here, the pin, the safety pin is holding it up, holding it in the unlocked position. So to attach the bucket, we'll go in reverse order what we just did. Because you're going to kind of take your stick out in front of the bucket, okay? And you're going to bring it in towards that pin. Kind of curl it like you're about to dig. And then I'm attached to the bucket. Curl it like I'm going to dig. Come back out. The coupler is now locked into what they call the stick pin. I'll take my safety pin right here and just pull it out, put it back in. You will put your safety latch back into the pin. And for always safe measures, you just want to verify that your bucket is locked on. What you can do is you can take it. Your bucket is locked in place. Easy as that.